To change the battery in your Pyronix Euro 46 alarm, you first need to remove the cover of your main alarm panel by unscrewing the 2 screws either side of the panel. The alarm will then sound. To silence the alarm, enter your 4-digit user code. With the panel now open, locate the battery and remove the 2 terminals, red and black, making sure these don't touch, and removing and replacing the battery. Please note, there is live 240 volt power in the transformer, so please be careful and make sure you don't touch this. Also, please make sure you don't knock any of the other wires in the panel, as these may cause your alarm to stop working. Now replace the lid, making sure you replace the screws firmly. Please note, to reset the alarm, an engineer reset is required, meaning that you need to book an engineer visit to the site to reset your system. The Smart Security team provide both telephone and on-site engineer support. Simply contact our team explaining your needs and we'll get your system fixed.